everyone. Today I'm back with a new inspiring story of K. Jai Ganesh, who secured 156th rank in UPSC exam. From serving food to serving people, his story is very inspiring. Try, try, try even harder till you get success. He proves this line so beautifully. Sometimes I just feel like these lines are just written for him. He was born in a poor family in a small village in Tamil Nadu. His father used to work in factory and somehow manage the family. Jai Ganesh was very intelligent in studies from the beginning. He got admission in college where he completed his mechanical engineering. He got the job, but the salary was just 2500 per month, and he realized with this salary he cannot support himself and his family. That time he thought of giving the very difficult UPSC exam, and getting into IS began to emerge in his mind. So then he left his job and started preparing for civil services exam. To meet his expenses, he switched so many jobs and even worked as a waiter. He studied very hard for exams, but every time he was unsuccessful. He had given 6 attempts for the civil services exam but was unsuccessful. Before he was giving his last attempt, he got very good job, but he decided to continue as his preparation further. He gave the civil services for the 7th time, and this was his last time. And this time, something unbelievable happened that was hard for everyone to believe. He had secured 156th rank in this examination. His hard work had paid off. His belief in himself became the reason for his success. In an interview, he said, when he cleared the exam, he felt like he had won a war that had been going on for many years. He felt free and relieved. So, when you become successful, everything follows you back. Thank you so much.